Welcome to another mega exciting 5 in auto parade. So, Dristigheten. Try this. Right. Let's try this to scare him a bit. Just H5. So trying to set some problems early. He's spending time here. Okay. Get him to weaken some squares with F3. That's interesting. Is he going to castle? Maybe he's going to castle queenside. Actually, bishop g2 for knight e4 comes into mind. No, potentially. But I was worried about bishop f6, knight d5. Okay. I'll play on this side for a moment. I'm waiting for this for bishop h6. Is he going to take on f6? Do I need to play bishop e7? Do I need to castle? I'll try and create some play on the queen side. I haven't got enough pieces for this. We'll see. Taking on f2, is that too materialistic? I think it just backfires, it just gives them files and stuff. Yes, why not? Knight b5 looks like an idea, but knight e4 here. Alright, probably, yes, unusual looking position. A4 and A3, just trying to undermine the dart squares, but knight b5, knight e4. If he protects e4 first, then yeah, knight b5. Maybe I should play bishop e7 and castle now. He's giving this centre pawn. Tempted to take it. Protect this for a moment. Right, so bishop e7 and castle. If I get the chance. Queen c8 here. Maybe queen c8. Over in the check. Over in the check.
Check.
Bishop e7. Then take on a5. I want a castle soon. Right here. Oh, right, his idea is knight a5 with pressure. Alright, so maybe back for queen d7 then. after knight a5. Bishop d3 looks dangerous. Just giving them loads of pressure, haven't I? Does not look clever. Knight takes a5 though, hold on a sec. Right, so knight f6 might be possible. And there's queen f5. And queen c6, is that, I'm trying to hold material now, queen c6. Maybe it's best to hold e4. Actually it looks at c2 as well, bit of counter-attack. Oh no, this isn't far from ideal. It's too scary, this stuff. Taking that e pawn earlier, too scary. But rooks, I don't know, can I put him on the defensive here? Every move is super critical. It's a d5. Try and stop. Rook c4. He didn't have rook c4. Okay, no, it was on e4. It would be nice to play my other pieces at some point. I'm actually threatening mate. Try and get a tempo somehow by threatening mates. Bishop e7 and castle. F5 first. F5 first. He's got F5 trying to weaken me again. Okay, this rook, I'll threaten mate with it. Then maybe bishop c5 is good. Try to simplify at least. Alright, this position should be okay. Surely. Head on the clock by minutes. Not too worried about his pass pawn potential at the moment. So taking on a4 next.
Check.
He has got rook e4, but it's a shame. Okay. So technically bad position I've reached, but you can't win with 0 seconds generally. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Was there a bust? There must have been. I mean, I suspect there was a bust. I reached an interesting position. Well, in fact, the engine did mention bishop g2 here. as I sort of mentioned in passing at some point. And it also mentioned, I think, flicked on Queen F2 for a moment, but then thought it was too dangerous. This is probably too weakening. I should just get on with Bishop E7. Slightly provocative play with me here. Yes, that's centre pawn. That's wrong. D5 better, it seems. Well, from limited analysis.
Check.
Yeah, this looks bad. Okay, Bishop A5 better for some reason. Unfair. Well, it's Knight B6. Oh, Knight C3. Okay, so his improvement Knight C3 plus 4 nearly. So what? Yeah, it looks like gigantic pin. And if D5, bang. Yeah, I thought this is a bit shaky. He has to break through somehow, rather than let me just construct this center. Now this is fine for me. Well, I mean it's less than a pawn, but apparently I've even got better with Rook C8. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's better. Oh, I thought I was okay here. There's no problems. I mean, he's so short on time as well. I mean, I don't think I'm going to lose this because of the clock. Basically, in practical terms, anyway. Okay, comments, questions, likes, appreciated. Thanks so much.